Welcome. This is the final video to fix time remapping missing in Premiere Pro, and I promise this will save you a lot of time and stress. Are you opening Premiere Pro right now and wondering why time remapping does not show up when you need it the most? This problem happens because Premiere hides time remapping when clips sit on a wrong track type, when the timeline view stays zoomed out, or when a small setting blocks the option without any warning. Many users think Premiere is broken, but the software works fine and only follows strict rules. I know you may have watched other videos on YouTube or scrolled through social media, but most of those fixes feel confusing, long, and hard to remember. Some people use advanced menus, shortcuts, or risky resets that waste your time. On Rexist, I keep things simple, and now I will share my secret easy trick. You only need to check the clip type, adjust one timeline view setting, and enable the correct menu option, and time remapping appears instantly like magic. This method works for beginners and pros and does not break your project. I use this fix on Rexist every time I edit speed ramps, slow motion, or fast cuts, and it works every single time. You do not need plugins reinstalling or complex steps. If you want a clear step-by-step tutorial where I show every click slowly, comment below and tell me you want it, and I will make the full guide just for you on Rexist.